Hello, it's me again. I had 5 daughters, and when they were growing up, I taught them how to cook and how to clean. But the thing was, we made a deal that if they cooked, then a different sister would have to clean. So the problem with doing that is that now when they cook, this happens. You can see that there are so many dishes. This is just from dinner last night. Okay, so if you have children and you're teaching them how to cook and to clean the kitchen, be sure to make them clean up after themselves. Because if you don't, then you're going to end up with one messy kitchen. They never learn how to pick up and clean up as they're going along.